So I made the decision. Cash for keys. I offered them $800 to leave. And in my head, I'm winning. Like I done won right now. But here's the problem. I hadn't seen the inside of the unit yet. And that is a big problem. So I call up TP. Hey TP, I need you to go check the inside of this unit. I want to offer this guy cash for keys, get him up out of there, we can renovate it, and move on to the next one. My partner walks in. Hey man, the walls look good. Everything seems to be in order. I don't see it costing us a lot to turn this unit over. There's a lot of bugs in the corner. There's a lot of bugs and insects. As we're on the phone, our boots on one of the tenants that live there, we call them the boots on the ground because we don't stay there. He lives there. He walks into the unit to bring some keys back, and he says, "Those are bed bugs."
Those are bed bugs.
And in my head, I'm thinking, the fuck is a bed bug? My partner TP said, hold on for a second. He takes 4 or 5 pictures, send them to me. He chat GPT it, and we have an infestation of bed bugs in this particular unit. Now, it ain't even registering to me like it's a 6-unit building. One of these units got bed bugs, so potentially all these units got bed bugs. But we in the shits now. So I say, TP, hey man, you get on the line, see can you find somebody to come out here and take care of this. I'm gonna get on the line, see can I find somebody to take care of this. So we got this dude come out, smooth with it. He walk in there, not even 2 minutes, look around. Yeah, man, you got infestation.
You have the infestation.
All right, cool. How much? I'm on FaceTime. TP there. TP got me on FaceTime. He looking at the camera.
6,500.
I said, 6,500? If this unit got bed bugs, all the unit got bed bugs. Well, how much is it to spray this unit? Because ain't nobody else talking about bed bugs. Oh man, I can't do that. What you mean you can't do that? They don't work with my guarantee. You ain't offering me no guarantee. What you talking about? Yeah, I can't do that. You know what? Hey man, hey TP, take me off FaceTime. Take me off FaceTime real quick. So I'm telling TP, hey man, tell that he can kick fucking rocks. TP said, hey man, we don't need you. You can kick rocks. Nah, he didn't say that. But if he would have said that shit, I would have been rolling. Finally find this guy to come out. He came in and said, yep, you got infestation, but this is what I can do for you. It's gonna need multiple treatments. All right, cool. Well, how much? And he said, you know what? It's gonna need multiple treatments, so give me $750 now to treat it. I come back, every time I come back, it's $75. I can work with that. That's better than $6,500. But I just gave this tenant $800 to leave. $750 of that $800. That means I'm in a hole almost $1,500 right now. The new spray, $750, plus give him $800. That's $1,450. Is that $1,450? No, that's $1,550. I'm in a hole $1,550 already. You feel me? So I call him up. Hey man, how long you had bed bugs? So he talking, right? He talking about the bed bugs, how he moved there in 2021, and how Joe Biden gave him bed bugs, and they was coming from the TV. It looked like they were just coming right out the TV. I cut the TV on, and all the bed bugs started coming. And Joe Biden was on TV saying, give me bed bugs. What? I can't make this shit up. I promise you. I hit record on my computer because I'm on speakerphone with it. I hit record on my computer. That's when you.
2023. I moved at 2022. Off the 9 2022. I moved there, and they started like 2023, 2024.
Gotcha. What? Who? You said Biden was in the office. Right.
Yeah. And then everybody in the building was throwing away their mattress.
Dang. Got you. What all you use to treat? You do anything to treat it?
Yeah, I had some spray.
So when I tell this story, you ain't looking at me crazy. I said, hey man, what you say again? Yeah man, Joe Biden. Joe Biden gave me bed bugs. I cut on the TV, this, that. And he starts to tell me a story about how Joe Biden infected his unit, infected the TV, how the...
And stuff like the TV or something like that, because when the TV was on, you'll see more on, and when the good TV went on, they'll slack up. So I don't know how that was working like that, but it was all in London and everywhere. And everybody in the building had to throw away their matches.
Got you. All right. Well, all right, Mr. Blake, you have a good one.
The tenant said Joe Biden gave him bed bugs, and it was coming through the TV. And at that point, I know I had to cut my bait. I don't think he mentally stable right now. So hey man, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of you. Wash my hands with it, and just know, can't fuck with Joe Biden. Joe Biden out here giving people bed bugs. But nah, that's on some real shit though. These type of stories, you deal with people like all the time, and you like, granted, I know some of you out there that been late on your rent, late on your mortgage, and you can call these people and you can give them the most obscene excuse of why you can't pay your rent. I know this, but let's keep it realistic, right? Let's just keep it a buck. These people want to know: can you pay your rent? When can you pay your rent? If you late, when you gonna pay? And if you can't pay until Wednesday, make sure you try to pay Tuesday night. Point blank period. All right. Hey, I'm out. These are my stories, my real estate horror stories. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, I got tons of them. I just don't feel comfortable sharing all of them because these are real people. These are real people's lives and situations. But some of these motherfuckers can get it. Like this next story, oh, she can give it. She can get it. I had to evict her ass. She can get it. Definitely she can get it.